Hey everyone, it's Monique from Raw Blend. Today I'm going to be making for you a winter soup. This is my sweet and spicy pumpkin soup. So I've chosen a variety of different warming vegetables. I've also chosen some spices that help fight off colds and also have anti-inflammatory properties like turmeric. So today I'm going to be using the Vitamix A2300i. This is the most affordable in the Ascent series. So I'm going to start with some water. So I'm going to do 2 cups. Luckily with the Vitamix, all of my measurements are down the side. So my first ingredient is butternut pumpkin. I've got about 2 to 3 cups here. You can steam it first if you choose. I'm going to have it raw. I've got spring onion or shallot. Notice how we've got the roots in there. As Tommy says, it's a whole food machine. So you can put all of your skins, all of your roots in there, all that lovely nutrients that you normally throw in the bin. Next, I'm gonna add my sweeter vegetables. So this is my carrot. Notice again, I don't have to peel it, I don't have to cut off the ends. Next, I've got some lovely red capsicum. This is another sweet vegetable for us. Again, seeds, stem, everything. Now I've got some chili. I'm gonna put 1/3 of that in. I can always add more spice, but you can't take that away. I've got a medial date, pitted of course. That is one thing we do not put in. Now I've got some ginger. This is really good for fighting off colds and for making you feel nice and warm inside. So I'm gonna put in about 1 centimeter of ginger. I've got about 1 teaspoon of turmeric. So this is our anti-inflammatory property. It's going to add a nice flavour in there as well. Now I've got 1/2 cup of coconut milk. You can use cashews as well if you'd like. This is just to cream our soup up a bit. Now I've got a Massel vegetarian stock cube, which is fully vegan. So that's just going to give us a little bit more flavour. And some seasoning, some salt and pepper. I haven't added too much salt and pepper in there because we've got so many beautiful flavours in there with all of our different vegetables, our spices. So it's really up to you if you add that in or not. Lock our lid into place. So I've got my manual functions on the front. I'm going to start on speed 1, get it up to high speed, which is 10 on this one. Let's get blending. So that was about 5 minutes 45 seconds. That's how long the pre-programmed functions run for, so can't really go wrong with that time. But that is 5 minutes and 45 seconds of friction heat. So there is no heating element in the Vitamix, so it is still raw. How amazing, we get to keep all of our nutrients in there. So let's do the reveal. Steaming hot soup. Wow. A little Vitamix tip, if your smoothie or soup is a bit frothy, you can blend it on a low speed and it'll get rid of those bubbles. That is so much better. Look how beautiful and smooth that is. Oh, it smells so good. It's so yummy. That's so flavoursome. I think you're absolutely going to love my sweet and spicy pumpkin soup this winter. Happy blending!